go to swimming pool. The first, my father's car ride go to swimming pool. It's so but we arrived too drunk. It's bored, very bored. I said, I am arrived. I am happy. I really happy. I am watch TV and jumping and sleepy well. And the third, I walk and going to swimming pool. I am swimming and ride boat with my brothers. And I eat tteokbokki and udang and hapa and sausage. It's yummy. After that, went to a restaurant for a seafood dinner. It's also delicious and yummy. I like seafood. Today is happy day. I am happy.